In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a streamlined Trello workflow for social media content. We'll start by setting up a clean, linear board that mirrors the life of a post from idea to publication. Create 5 lists from left to right. First, content bank or ideas. This is your catch-all for raw concepts, quotes, inspiration, and half-baked thoughts. Don't judge or organize too much here, just capture. Next, research or drafting. When an idea is ready to grow up, move it here to write captions, shape your message, and format graphics. After that comes in review. If you collaborate with others or simply want a second look, park cards here to check copy, visuals, and links. Then we have scheduled. Once you've assigned a publish date and added the post to your social scheduling tool, drop the card here so you know it's queued. Finally, published or needs repurposing. When a post is live, move it to this list and note how you might reuse it later. Keeping these lists in order gives you a visual conveyor belt for your content. Each Trello card represents one post. Open a card to customize it. In the description, paste your final post copy, hashtags, and any relevant links so everything is in one place. Use attachments to upload images, videos, or supporting documents. This ensures your assets travel with the card. Add a checklist to enforce consistency. Include tasks like resizing graphics for different platforms, drafting a companion thread, adding UTM links, and confirming the post is scheduled. Finally, set a due date and time for when the post should go live. Trello will flag approaching deadlines and keep your schedule visible. Labels make the board instantly scannable. Assign colors to channels or content pillars so you can understand your mix at a glance. For example, use blue for X, orange for LinkedIn, purple for Instagram or TikTok, and red for YouTube or blog content. Naming your labels helps too, so the color coding is clear to anyone who joins the board. When you're ready for a high-level view, switch how you see the board. Click the Views button in the top left, then choose Calendar. You'll see every card with a due date laid out across the month. If something shifts, just drag and drop a card to a new day to instantly reschedule without breaking your flow. That's the workflow. Ideas into drafts, drafts into review, review into scheduled, and scheduled into published, with each card carrying its copy, assets, tasks, labels, and dates. If you found value in today's video, hitting like really helps others discover this content. And I'd love your feedback in the comments. Tell us what worked for you or how we can improve our production. We read every single comment and use your suggestions to shape what we build next.